What's up? Good day, good people. Today is Sunday, January 14th, and I came to give you your second Oculatum. Wow. And I'm also going to read this article today on what makes mainstream media mainstream. Dude, what's up? Oh my goodness. Okay, so. I wanted to take out these twists. Hold up. Three Sisters of Nature that I put on the back of my hair where I took my locks out and put a rod on that thing. Bang! And I'll just leave it like that. Then I'm going to take this other one out. Bing! And there's that. So you see the girl? It's buoyancy. Alright, so there's that. Feels good, smells good. And you know the rest. Okay? Hope everybody's enjoying their Sunday. And everything. Our trifle wants will soon enslave us. 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 What do you think that means, everybody? You know what, y'all? My Foreman grill lasted 20 years. And now, this week, just the bottom part works. But shit, I still use that bitch. Trust and believe. Enjoy the rest of your day. Our trifle wants will soon enslave us. You better watch yourself. What up, y'all?